What's up, everybody? My name is Sean K of Heli Direct. I've got a great surprise for you. When I went to Thailand Heli Blowout, I saw Vava and Young Bin Lee flying this bird. It's the new Kraken. Is it new? Is it not? Kinda, but yeah, it is. Color change is amazing. When you look at it in the sunlight, it just explodes. Literally, you can see it in every type of light condition. When I mated it, it was almost dark and I felt like it was daytime. It just pops. When you see it on video, it's good, but seeing it in person, it's the best. I'm telling you, it just takes it to a whole nother level. I want to take you to my shop to tell you about all the changes, what's new, what's not, and what you can expect when you get this kit. Let's go.
Heli Direct!
What's up, everybody? I'm here back in the shop. I'm going to point out to you all the differences that I saw in the new kit. But first, let me mention the color. It's hard to explain, but this orange is something different and it's cool. It's a matte finish, but it just explodes with color and pop in the air. Being a Kraken lover myself, I just can't seem to quit this bird. Every time like I put one in or, I crash it really bad, I end up just getting another kit because I can't see my fleet complete without a Kraken. This is also an original design. No other company has done this that I know of with this type of style boom. No boom supports, and just the sexy lines of this kit. It's always been one of my favorites. If you've never owned one, you definitely have to have one in your fleet. Like I said, it just makes your whole fleet complete. I'm going to
Heli Direct!
compare side by side. The first thing that we're going to talk about is the ESC tray. Now, this is the Kraken S, the old style. Of course, this is the 3-bladed head scheme. I changed it to a 2-blade head. I saw Kyle Stacy's and I was like, oh, that's sick. I got to do the same thing. So shouts out to Kyle Stacy. If you see how this ESC tray is connected, right? They have changed all of this. Here's the new style. It's all connected now. It's all connected here. It's stronger. The other one, it moves, it flexes a little bit, which is good because it's a sacrificial in case you go in on the nose. You can save your ESC. You don't want to damage your ESC. But this one is more rigid. Not sure why they made that change, but after flying it a little bit, it doesn't affect the flying as much as probably what happens in a crash. Also, too, the landing gear. The old landing gear is a thicker plastic. It's more durable, probably would survive a crash. But they do weigh a little bit more. Now, when you have a big bird like this, weight can be an issue. But the way this thing moves around in the air, it has never been an issue. If you've seen any of the videos Kyle Stacy has done, you'll see that it is not sacrificing weight for speed or agility. Now, here you have the new style landing gear. It's a little thinner. Yeah, maybe it might be a little bit more fragile. However, less weight. So that means it's always a balance of weight and durability on a helicopter that the designer or the manufacturer has to have in play here. It's a give or take thing. Some person, or a preference thing, I should say. Some people might say, hey, I want the lighter landing gear, but I want to save the weight because I'm an aggressive flyer and every ounce matters to me, Or you could be the other guy and say, hey, I want the more durable landing gear because, I'm practicing on autos and I want more durable landing gear. So it's a preference thing here, but I like that they made this change in the kit. So it's nothing that you have to buy aftermarket if you want. All right. I believe the side panels are a little bit lighter. I don't know. I'm doing an A and B comparison because I heard the side panels were a little bit different. I don't know. That's a toughie. I can't tell which one is thicker or not. This one feels a little bit thicker. I'm not sure. I could be wrong. Don't quote me on that. I'll have to call the manufacturer and see. Last but not least, the other change is the side frames. If you look here, the way they redesigned the ESC plate, they had to redo the top frame here. That is the new style. And that is the difference between the old style, if you can see here. They had to connect all this, so they just redesigned all the top part of that. I guess it adds more rigidity and more strength to the overall structure. I also added on my old one by X-Guard these carbon plates on top of the Carters. I guess from their new design that this whole structure here being one piece with this doubled up here will take care of any weak spots you might feel like the Carters have. So besides the color, you know the color is the change. The landing gear, the upper side frames, and the ESC plate. That's 4 things. And for me, I was kind of like, how can you make something better that is really perfect in the way it flies? And I guess they answered that question. It's just sleek, it's sexy, it's extremely visible in the air. And also, too, it comes with the 701 S-Line blades, too. Forgot to mention that. So, yeah, I've got to put more flights on it. It's a beautiful bird. I've hovered it. It feels just like the old one, but it's time will tell in flights if I tend to bond with this one more so than my old one. But to be honest, I love my Kraken, and I'm sure I'm going to love this one, too. All right. My name is Sean K., and I will talk to you soon. Peace.